Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to always ask you where to save files in Firefox browser Windows 10. So how to always ask you where to save files in Firefox browser Windows 10. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu here. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here you are in the General menu. Scroll down to find the Download menu. Now next. Tap Always Ask You Where to Save Files. This feature makes Firefox always ask for a storage location every time it downloads a file, so users can choose the folder they want. So that's it, the tutorial how to always ask you where to save files in Firefox browser Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.